Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at a mini camp supply kit from a company called VSSL. So let's check it out. Okay, so taking a look at the box, they have here what all comes in this little cylinder, and it says it has a 4-mode LED light, it has a carabiner end cap, it has an oil fill compass, it has a mini first aid kit, fire starting kit, and rope and razor. So that is what is in store for us in this little kit that, coincidentally enough, it comes to us from our tyranny defiant, freedom loving neighbors to the north. So yeah, and you guys know I'm always interested in these kind of commercially made, you know, little kits to see what companies believe, you know, people out there want and what they can market to them to buy. So I'm always interested in that. And we have here, they give us the batteries for this thing, and these are actually branded batteries from the VSSL company, and they are LR1s, and there's 3 of them. So they give you the batteries, and then this is the camping kit. And the oil fill compass is up here at the top, and the sort of the little handle here is a carabiner. It's a spring-loaded carabiner. So yeah, I guess you just hang it. But yeah, it has a really nice looking oil-filled compass that is true. So, and I guess there's our flashlight there on the end. So, oh, here's the on-off, and of course it doesn't have the batteries in it, so it's not going to work. But right here is the on-off switch for the light, and it says it has, let's see, a long press is on, and I guess a short press it goes into a flashing like SOS beacon, signaling mode. So you just unscrew the body, and we got, let's see here, what is this? Okay, this is the battery compartment here, and you have to get like a quarter or something, which I don't have on the table. But yeah, you would unscrew that little end cap there, put your 3 little batteries in, and then the light can do its thing. So what we can see here, we have some string and some needles. So we have black, white, and blue string, and then three needles for it. So a little sewing kit, and then we have some little containers. There's 3 of them in this, and we'll just start from the top. And this says this is the rope and razor blade little container. They're very, very small. So yeah, and they have some branded, okay, some VSSL branded cordage. Very, very small stuff. Don't know how much of it there is on there. It looks like a lot. But yeah, it's just some yellow heavy string. I'm not gonna call it cordage, I guess, because that really wouldn't be appropriate. It's very heavy string that they're calling rope. And then the blade is just a razor blade. So they give you just a regular old razor blade with this little cardboard cover that I probably will not successfully get back onto the blade. I did. So just a little cheap razor blade that goes on like a scraper or something. So that's the blade. This is the rope. Okay, so this is one of 3 tins. And then we have a first aid tin that has some, it says a mini medical kit. So let's see what this is all about. And boy, you can imagine, this is a little small tin, so this stuff is really packed in here good. We got some antiseptic towelettes. And these are like what you would find in a commercial first aid kit that you would get out of like a Lowe's or a Home Depot. You know, that has stuff like this, like the little individually packet, you know, stuff like these towelettes and alcohol wipes, and let's see, and it's got some Band-Aids. It's got how many of these? Like 4? Yeah, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 6. There's 6 Band-Aids, and they're just regular, like normal size Band-Aids, but boy, they were folded and then folded again, and they were compressed down pretty thick. God dog. And then this was smushed in there really, really good. This is a wound closure strip. I'm pretty sure it's more than one. Yeah, this is like, what's 4? It's 5. 1, 2, or 4? 10. Oh, so there's more than one pack. There's 5 per, and there's 2 packs. Okay. So you got these wound closure strips. And these are just like the self-adhesive jobs that, you know, you just put it on, pull the wound together, and stick them on there, and it holds it closed. And like I said, these things were folded really tight and really jammed at the bottom of this little tin. And then at the very bottom of the tin, there's 2 safety pins sitting on the bottom. So this stuff was just, I'm talking about mushed in here. Because you can imagine getting all this stuff to go in this little bitty tin was quite the feat. But I will make it go back in there. Okay, so this is our first aid tin. Alright. Yeah. Alright, so that was our first aid tin. And then the final thing is the fire starting kit with matches. So we'll see what that's about. And basically what this is it's a bunch of loose matches and some cotton tinder. This little cotton stuff. There's what, 5 pieces of this stuff, of this little cotton material. There's 5 of those, and then we got just some regular, apparently just me picking this match up broke it, but they're really just regular little matches. They're not very big, as you can see here. They're not very big at all. They're very, very small. But they were just laying loose in here with this little cotton stuff that you're supposed to use as tinder. Which, to be fair, you could start a fire with this. And they have a strike pad inside the lip, inside the container there. They have a strike pad. So these are the 3 little tins, and they just go back into the handle. And apparently your little sewing kit is just loose. It's just loose. It was loose in here. And then you just screw it back together. And I'm going to say this. I will give this company VSSL credit for producing a product. Do I see any value in something like this? No, I don't. But I would be interested, as always, to know how you guys feel in the comment section down below. What do you think about products like this? It's literally just got some matches, a couple Band-Aids, and yeah. And I don't know what you're going to do with what they call rope. I don't know how that's going to serve you. So stuff like this, it may be for somebody, which is why I want to hear what you guys think about it in the comment section down below, because to me this stuff is kind of gimmicky, There's no way I would want to trek off into the wild woods outside with just this. I wouldn't want to do it. But maybe it's for somebody. Yeah, let me know. Thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you next time. Peace.